What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, we're going to tear down the engine and I'm going to show you guys what I found. Let's get into it. So you can kind of see the silicone is not original. Original, they like a grayish color. And if you come down here, you can see there's a bit too much of silicone there as well. There's two colors. So the side cover was definitely off. Let's see on this side, nothing else out of the ordinary, to be honest, except for the coolant ports that's a bit rusted. You come at the back. This is probably the worst tool I've ever seen. So it has shaft play side to side. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get closer here. So like there's shaft play all the way around, and there's in and outward play. Now usually a little side to side is fine, not when it's that much. And also in and out is not acceptable. Oil drain, turbo can come off, exhaust manifold. We'll start on this side. The O-ring still looks good. So we can reuse that at least. Look how dirty this fuel system was. Just to give you an idea. Is broken. Oh, that is not what you want to see. Oh man, why did you use silicone? Oof. Okay, PVT looks relatively new. It's good news. Lobes look good. The question is, how does these look? Yeah. So I've rotated the crank so that the exhaust valves on 4 closed and the intake. I want to check what's going on here, see if we can spot something. And there's a hole in the exhaust valve. Okay. Yeah. This is a problem. Man. Okay, let's see what's behind the head. So this is going to be cylinder 1. These can definitely benefit from a clean, so I think we're going to do that. That's cylinder 1. 2 looks fine. 3 also fine. And then 4. Where did that part go? So that's why there's no compression in cylinder number 4. This valve seems okay, but I think we're just going to go ahead and replace both of these just to be on the safe side. And also the injector. Definitely need to replace the injector because we don't know why this happened. It could be due to heat, which is from the injector, or I don't see any marks, so I don't think something's hit it. I'm pretty sure it has to be that. So yeah,